Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tuxedo Sam as Santa. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the fur of the hat. Let's draw a curve across. Then from each end, let's curve it up. And another curve across the top. Now to continue the hat, let's hop on top on the left. We're going to step in and let's draw a curve over. Then let's hop underneath and let's draw a small bump up. And one more curve to close off the end. Now lastly for the hat, let's draw a circle at the end here for the pom-pom. And that's it for the hat. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the head. Let's draw a curve down on each side. Then let's hop to the center at the bottom here and let's draw two angles down and out for the beak. And a curve across the bottom. Now for the beard, let's draw a bumpy line out on each side. And curve it down on each end. Now let's continue the beard by drawing a bumpy line down, meeting at the center at the bottom. And lastly, let's hop inside and let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start on each side and let's draw a large curve down. And then a long curve across the bottom. Now underneath on each side, let's draw another bump down. And a curve across. Now let's hop inside the body and let's draw the belt. We're going to start by drawing a star in the center. Let's start in the center and let's draw a point up at the top. And then one out on each side. And then two at the bottom. Now let's hop out and continue the belt. At the top, let's draw a curve out on each side. And two more underneath. And color both sides of the belt in black. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on each side under the beard and let's draw a small angle out. Now let's add the fur at the end of the sleeves by drawing a large oval on an angle. And then a bump at the ends for the hands. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop to the bottom and draw the legs. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve out and up on each side. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the feet. Let's draw 2 small curves down in the center and 2 on the outside. And then close off the bottom of each one. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's draw the bag on the right side. Next to the right hand, let's draw a curve up and down. Another bump next to it. And one more going down underneath. Now we're going to add a bow by starting in the center, drawing a curve out and around. And the same on the other side. And let's draw 2 curves down in the center. Now let's continue the bag on the left by curving it down to the body. Continue it underneath and bring it up. And that's it for Santa Tuxedo Sam. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!